Did you know that over 80% of U.S. millionaires own real estate? And a significant number of them protect and grow their wealth through LLCs. That's right, LLCs are one of the best-kept secrets in real estate investing. In this video, I'll show you how you can use an LLC holding company to not only protect your assets but also maximize your profits and simplify your real estate empire. Stick around to learn the strategies the pros use to build their wealth. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, let me tell you I'm here to help you unlock the secrets to smart real estate investing. Today, we're diving into the world of LLC holding companies, a game changer for real estate investors looking to scale their portfolios safely and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll understand how an LLC protects your assets, why it's a smart move for tax purposes, how it simplifies managing multiple properties. So, grab a notebook because you won't want to miss this. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to BZ. BZ is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of BZ is also given in the description box down below. Let's start with the challenges most real estate investors face. Liability risk. What happens if someone sues you because they slipped on your property? Without protection, your personal assets could be at risk. Tax headaches. Managing multiple properties can make your tax situation complex, potentially costing you thousands in unnecessary taxes. Management chaos. As your portfolio grows, so does the paperwork. Keeping track of multiple mortgages, rents, and expenses can become a logistical nightmare. Sound familiar? These are problems that can hold you back from achieving real success in real estate. But here's the good news, there's a solution. Enter the LLC Holding Company. Let's break down how this works and why it's such a powerful tool for real estate investors. 1. Asset protection. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business assets. For example, if you own a property through an LLC and there's a lawsuit, only the assets within that LLC are at risk. Your personal savings, home, and other investments stay protected. Real-life example, meet Sarah, a real estate investor who owns 5 rental properties. Before setting up an LLC, she faced a lawsuit when a tenant was injured on one of her properties. The legal fees nearly wiped out her savings. After learning the hard way, she established an LLC for each property, ensuring her personal assets were shielded from future claims. 2. Tax advantages. LLCs are pass-through entities, meaning the company's income is taxed as part of your personal income. This avoids the dreaded double taxation of corporations. Plus, LLC owners can often deduct expenses like repairs, property management fees, and even travel related to property visits. Updated data. According to a 2023 IRS report, small business owners who structured their real estate under LLCs saved an average of 20% in taxes compared to sole proprietors. 3. Ease of management. A holding company structure allows you to create one parent LLC that owns several subsidiary LLCs. Each property can be held under a separate subsidiary, simplifying bookkeeping and liability management. Key insight. Think of it as organizing your real estate empire into neat compartments. This way, if one property faces legal or financial trouble, the others remain unaffected. Let me share the story of Mike, a real estate investor who transformed his business using an LLC holding company. Mike started with 3 rental properties but quickly realized the risks of managing them under his personal name. After establishing an LLC holding company, his business boomed. Not only did he scale to 15 properties in 5 years, but he also saved over $50,000 in taxes and protected his wealth during a major tenant dispute. Today, Mike's portfolio generates passive income while giving him peace of mind. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using BZ, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services BZ provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, BZ is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. BZ is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. BZ is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the BZ dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, BZ will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Let's recap the key takeaways. An LLC shields your personal assets from legal risks. It provides significant tax benefits, saving you money. It simplifies managing multiple properties, making growth easier. LLC holding companies are not just for seasoned investors, they're for anyone serious about building a safe and scalable real estate portfolio. To sum it up, forming an LLC can provide legal protection, tax advantages, and operational flexibility. But it does come with costs and some additional paperwork, so weigh the pros and cons carefully. If you're still unsure, consider speaking to a legal or tax professional to understand what's best for your situation. The sooner you start, the better your future will look. Now it's your turn. Are you already using an LLC for your real estate investments? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you're just getting started, let me know your biggest question about setting up an LLC. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video on advanced real estate investment strategies. See you next time.